Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Sandesh Dash, and look here what I have got to review. This is Philips over-the-ear headphone. This is Philips headphone, and I'm gonna review this in this video. So first of all, I wanna say that this is not a free sample from a company, but I have purchased it for you guys and for myself. So I'm doing review for you guys. So please make sure that you have subscribed my channel to help me, because if you subscribe my channel will grow and I will get more samples in the future from the companies to do review for you guys. So just hit off the subscribe button, so just do it please for me, and please help me to do more review in the future. So please make sure you have subscribed, please do it. However, so next I'm gonna unbox this Philips 3195 over-the-ear headphone for you guys. So let's start. Okay, so here the Philips over-the-ear headphone model number 3195. You can see, and this is the over-the-ear headphone, and it has also the previous model called 3095, and this is with the mic, and you can use it with your smartphone to make any call or to record your sound. So 3095 also has a mic, but this 3195 is more better sound production, and so that's why I have purchased this 3195. And it has also a lower model without mic, that's model number is 3060 from Philips, but this is the most better quality the headphone, and around the price bracket of 15k, sorry 1500. So and that's it. So, and this is the box back, how it looks like, and I purchased it from Amazon.in. You can purchase from Amazon.in. I have provided the link below, please check out the link. And I purchased it at $11.99. so that's a quality headphone for Philips, and Philips has a good quality sound, and you can see it has a rich bass with the best sound clarity. So let's focus on the box back. This, as I said, this is the DJ style monitoring headphone, and the driver, you can see it has a metallic finish, and you can see that it has a mic for use it smartphone, and all the features has been written. The maximum power output 1500, 32mm Neodymium speaker for better quality sound. As you know, Neodymium is better, and durable metal finish earshells, and also the headphone drivers is swivel up to 180 degree and with built-in mic. And backside, nothing more interesting. Some written features: impressive and punchy bass from 32mm high driver, and closed back system blocks ambient noise for use in high noise environments. Of course, it has a noise isolation, and it has a good quality bass sound. It has a 3.5mm jack, and the wire is the tangle free type, not totally flat tangle free, but wire is the tangle free, make sure. And it has a 8 to 22,000 Hz the frequency response, 107 decibel sensitivity, 24 ohm impedance, and -10 decibel noise isolation, and 1500 megawatt maximum power output. This is the Philips sticker, nothing more interesting. And you can see, sorry, it is the swivel up to 165 degree, and you can see its MRP is just 1699, you can see. And it has a durability wire, as they have written on the box back. So nothing more interesting. So just unbox the Philips 3195 headphone, and I will also do the sound test with my smartphone, so please continue to watch. So here I will cut the box. This is the company seal. So box pack is just simple, not too much creative box pack like Xiaomi or another company. The box pack is simple. So wow, it looks great really. Okay, let me just make out first. Okay, so I have made it out, my headphone, and you can see this is the totally swivel up to 165 degree. This is the diesel style monitoring headphone, and it has a totally metal finish, metal look, and it looks just great. And it has also the indicator, that is left or right. That's also the left right indicator, also metal type finish, and it has very soft spongy and ear pads that feels great when you listening music for a long time, and it doesn't feel any uncomfortable feeling also. And this is the most durable wire, you can see. And this is the multi-use microphone for changing the track or something, so that's a good quality. And this is a 3.5 mm audio jack, that is universal jack. So, and also the headband is adjustable, as the written, I don't know, yeah, it is really adjustable, and it is also written are marked that how much you are adjusting. Up to 6 you can do. So that's great. Okay, so this is the totally overall looks like. Okay, so you can see I have connected this Philips 3195 headphone to the Nokia Lumia 520, my smartphone, and you can see it has taken, and it is no compatible issue. As I said, it is universal, and also it feels more comfortable when you holding with your hand, and it also feels the premium headphone from Philips, not a cheap quality headphone, but it is a solid build quality. It has, I am feeling, so it's a great headphone. So start the sound test first. So this is the sound quality as it comes from. This is my Taylor Swift song. Okay, I am changing the YouTube music which YouTube have provided to the review. So let's listen the sound. The sound is loud enough to listen any and noisy environment. Totally awesome sound, awesome. Just a solid bass with a solid sound clarity, solid. Oh my god, what a sound. Really, Philips, love you. Yeah, it has a solid build quality and solid sound, solid bass ever. Totally value worthy headphone. Yeah, just go for it. Okay, so sound is, as I said, the sound is loud enough to listen the noisy environment, and it blocks all the noise that is coming from the outside, and you can enjoy your music from your heart ever. So so that's a good quality headphone, and you should purchase this model only 3195 because it has also the 3D sound output as the 3095 hasn't. And also if you want the with mic, then you can go with this model, and if you don't want any microphone with this headphone, then you can go with 3060. So that's a solid build quality, as I said, and you can purchase this no matter to hesitate with. So you can purchase the below link in the description, and make sure you subscribe by clicking this subscribe button, and also click the below subscribe button or later in this video. So please make sure you have subscribed because it helps to grow my channel. And also important thing, that if my channel subscriber reach to the 2000, then I will do the free giveaway, that is the pen drive. I'm gonna do that. So and the condition is it has to reach to 2000 subscriber, and I will do it freely. And also you have to watch this video, you have to subscribe this channel, sorry, my channel, and you have to like my Facebook page, and have to do the follow on my Twitter page. The total links are in the description, so please do that to take part in the giveaway. So just do it, and that's all about this headphone review. And please hit the like button below by hitting the thumbs up button, and share with your friends and family. That's all. So I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye guys, I was Sandesh signing off.